I still have the thing that these go in and the dishwasher. Need to finish running that. I even had a new shower curtain to put up. The other one's in there to be washed. I can put rugs back down again. It's so nice. I was told I couldn't have rugs in the bathroom, and I just pulled these up to wash them right before they moved in, and she said I couldn't put them back down because her mother would trip over them. So now that her mother's not here anymore, I can put my bathroom back together. And of course, you know, I do film in here, so the stool stays in here for the most part, and it's kind of handy. I put my PJs and stuff on it and then get in the shower, and PJs and stuff are all right here. And then this is my roll cart from the salon. People ask how I store my makeup. This is it. This is where I keep like smaller palettes. And these are like lashes and incidentals and like the gems and stuff that I use in specialty looks. This usually sits up there. So does the fan. This is my tray of stuff for my monthly shop, my stash. Oh, and then down here we have keep like plastic bags on that side, and these are like shower caps for when I don't want to wash my hair. But here are all of my big palettes. This is the newest one I got with the controversy palette that I haven't used yet, so that's why it's still in its thing. When I get to using it, I will unsheath it. But here are all of the rest of my big palettes, and these I leave up here when I make boo-boos with mascaras and stuff. I just kind of use them until they fall apart. But here is all of my palettes and goodies and whatnot. And my bathroom is nice and clean. It's so nice to have it all clean, and I can put all my stuff where I want it. I don't have to worry about somebody coming in here and messing up my stuff. I gotta put my brushes back on my tray, but yeah, lashes are in here. Just extra thingies. I still haven't tried this yet. Still waiting in the box. I don't know, I might give it away, I don't know yet. But yeah, just all my extra. And then my brand new mirror. I haven't even used it yet because I've been using the mini palette to do looks. And it has a mirror. So, and then my brushes sit. The brushes that I'm in the middle of using are the like face brushes and dirty brushes and stuff. They sit on this side, and they're in this cabinet right now. Yeah, brushes. And then the dirty ones are in there, and then there's more brushes down there. So, yeah. Clean bathroom. It's so nice.